One of the easiest ways to get hired for a job in Milwaukee IT industry is to obtain your education and experience, then apply for a job, and then start working in the IT industry. Let's look closely at the first step in this process.
Hello and welcome. My name is Vadim Michalenko, and I'm a MATC Milwaukee Area Technical College instructor and department coordinator. And in this video, I would like to talk to you about the best options you have to get the degree in IT, information technology, in Milwaukee area. As a student or potential student, you have a lot of options and a lot of choices in Milwaukee. You can go and get your degree at UWM, and this would be a 4-year degree. You can get 4-year degrees in Concordia, Marquette University, Milwaukee School of Engineering, MSOE, Lakeland University, and a lot of other places. But here, I'd like to tell you about advantages of getting 2-year degree. And the biggest one is that you will get to a point where you will be employed much faster. And when you are employed, it means that you will start making money. Another thing to consider nowadays in 2020 is how would you choose the best degree program in information technology during COVID-19 crisis? The key considerations here is how quickly can you graduate? What are the jobs available right out of school when you graduate? What is the cost of financial aid? What is the flexibility in studying? How much accommodation that you will have? If you're working, for example, and trying to work and study at the same time, would college accommodate your schedule? Would you be able to be successful in both, keep your job and studying for the program? What kind of curriculum would you have? Would you have an outdated curriculum, or would you have modern curriculum that prepares you and teaches you the right skills? What is the quality of professors that you're looking to get? What is the support network? Would you get some tutoring? Would you have to pay for the tutoring? Or would you get it for free as part of the program? And what are the things that's actually changed or changing during COVID-19 and how this will impact you?
Let me tell you a little bit about the MATC IT Computer Support Program and why this might be the best option for you.
Why choose a MATC IT Computer Support Program? This is a 2-year degree, so if you study full-time, you will get your degree in 2 years. IT Computer Support Specialist is one of the best options available. And why is that? We have large number of jobs available in IT support in Milwaukee area. And 95% of students that finish the program, they graduate and they get employment within the first 6 months. So 95% of people are employed and actually making money after getting the skills. When you think about the education, you think of the investment that you make of your time and money. A MATC IT Computer Support Program provide excellent return on investments. Students will be able to pay cost of education in the first year of employment. Another big benefit for students is the flexibility in studying. MATC and MATC Computer Support specifically provide working students accommodation. Another important thing is that curriculum periodically revised to accommodate latest technology and trends. As you can imagine, in information technology, nothing remains static. And all the new technologies that show up, companies are trying to adopt because that improves productivity. MATC is responding to COVID-19 crisis by offering online and blended courses. That would help you avoid all the dangers of personal contact and complete your studies online. But if you need help and support, it also will be available to you. So it's a win-win for both college and the students. So what has changed during COVID-19 crisis? The biggest thing that's changed is the fact that now people and companies are trying to avoid face-to-face interactions. But the best thing about IT Computer Support degree is that a lot of work, or in some cases all the work, could be done remotely. Supporting users is still very important to the companies, especially now when a lot of other professions, not just IT professions, also forced to work remote. If you have the right skills, you can manage applications and software and work remotely and support people remotely. Number of IT computer support job openings remained steady through the crisis, and some companies decided to increase their support staff. Let's look quickly at what are the skills that you learn as part of IT computer support program. You learn as a student all major operating systems in Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, Apple iOS, Android, and a lot of other operating systems that's available. You also learn the soft skills, IT processes, security, and you get hands-on experience, which a lot of companies value, especially for IT computer support specialists. You also learn Apple OS X training, which is the supporting Apple laptops and desktop. And we also teach students mobile device administration, troubleshooting and support for iOS and Android. This slide lists all the certificates that we prepare students for. You have a lot of Comptia certificates. You have certificates from Microsoft, HDI, ITIL, Apple, and a lot of others. I encourage you to learn more about the program on our program website, matcitsupport.org. You can also look at the MATC website to find out more about current catalog and current associate degree. You can also learn about available scholarships at the matcacademicworks.com. And you can contact us, Jonathan Arnold, there's email here, and myself, Vadim Michalenko. I provide email for you as well. I encourage you to register for IT Computer Support Specialist Program. You navigate to matc.edu/register, complete the form, and you are part of the program.
If you are a first-time student and never applied at MATC, you need to complete an application by navigating to matc.edu/apply. You will start the application here and you can register to take class right here. Also, I encourage you to explore some statistics on this page, which shows why 30,000 students chose MATC promise information, how to choose your pathway, and how to connect with us, as MATC has 4 different campuses and you can apply at any one of them.
You can also do registration over the phone by calling MATC and asking, how can I register for IT Computer Support Program? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you as one of my students.